Okay, while this is on my mind, I want to show you something. Rare earth neodymium magnets. Copper, silver. If you believe that using a powerful magnet, rare earth neodymium magnet, will validate your silver, you're sadly mistaken. I'll tell you why. If this bar was silver clad, the magnet would basically react the same. That's pretty close to identical. Oops. So, you're not going to be able to use it wow. Those trying to grab each other. You can use it to eliminate non-silver, but you cannot use a rare earth magnet to validate, yes, this Provident 10-ounce bar is definitely silver. Oops, it hit the cardboard. You can't do that. Well, now that's curling up. Because while it does this, at about a 45-degree angle. Okay, 45-degree angle. Very, very similar. Not exact, but very similar. Silver does, but if the copper had a silver electroplate, a silver coating on it, it would react exactly like pure silver. Now you can take a magnet and eliminate things that are not silver. Like, for example, if somebody is stupid enough to put silver or gold over iron, for example, you know what's going to happen, right? So that's not going to slide at all. What about titanium? If it was coated in titanium, nothing. No magnetic at all. So, I was going to collect all of these cubes for all the elements. However, I ran into a small problem I didn't think about ahead of time. Some of the elements are super, super expensive. Like gold, for example. Can you imagine a gold block that large? And this is 5 ounces of titanium. Iron is considerably heavier. Iron is 10 ounces for almost the same size. Gold would be considerably more. Silver would be relatively expensive. Palladium, platinum, rhodium, selenium, whatever that is. There's a lot of super expensive metals out there that kind of killed the collecting these things, pretty much. Oh, I also have a copper one. The copper one's the pound one. It's getting a lovely patina to it now. See the reddish, the more red on it? That's 1 pound. I don't know why they didn't make them all the same exact size though. Maybe whatever that would have been an odd number or something. $4 a pound. This cost $8, twice what copper cost. Actually, copper's cheaper than. I'd have to go look. The last price I remember was cheaper than $4 a pound. Like 2 something a pound. Yeah, it was about 2 something a pound, and that block cost $8. So even if the gold and silver and platinum, palladium, all the expensive metals were this size, they would still be more expensive to produce a cube of than your regular weight of metal would be. So keep in mind, you can't use a magnet to verify that it is silver. You can only use a magnet to verify that it's not silver. If it fails the magnet test, it's not silver. If it passes the magnet test, that don't really mean that it really is silver. Don't make that mistake. Yeah, I know. Don't fuss about me handling it with my hands. That's fine. It's bullion. Oops. Okay, because this is a 1 ounce, this is a 1 ounce. Okay, so we'll put it on troy ounce. I didn't get any extra on the silver. Looks like we got cheated on the gold, or the ounce. Ounce troy, grams. Okay, here's where it'll get interesting. If you don't know the difference between troy ounce and a regular ounce, at least, so the copper round is a little more than an ounce, but not a troy ounce. It's not quite a troy ounce. The silver, on the other hand, it actually says troy ounce. 1 troy ounce, which is different from a regular ounce. But these coins are so close together in size, thickness, and weight. If you didn't know what you were doing, you could accidentally buy a copper round that's coated with silver. The copper is a little larger, but not by much. and it has the same magnetic properties. Thickness is about the same. Okay, about 0.126, 0.124, 0.123, okay, so about one. Okay, I'm happy with 0.125, 126, somewhere around there, 0.124 to 126. The silver coin, on the other hand, is just a hair thinner, 0.115. So about 1/100th of an inch thinner, which is really difficult for somebody to actually feel that difference. And of course, like I showed earlier, the magnets slide down at the same. Wow, that's a powerful magnet. Well, I'm not doing it good that way. So last I want to point out that some stainless steel is not magnetic either. So depending on, I don't know which stainless steel is magnetic and which isn't, but whatever this is, it's certainly not magnetic. Okay, this is 304. I don't know who that dude's supposed to be. But this is non-magnetic. I guess that's so it won't rust in the ocean. So you can't go by a magnet's reaction to copper or silver. It might tell you, if it sticks to it, it'll tell you that it's not silver, but it certainly won't tell you that it is silver, because it's basically the same reaction. Oops. That's a pretty accurate test, because silver's the only thing that really sounds like that I've seen anyway. It's just harder to hold it right. Nothing but love for you. Comments in the comment section. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Give me a thumbs down if you don't like the video. And I'll keep making bad videos one way or another. Hopefully they'll get better. Edit that out. Edit that out too. Keep stacking. Or not. Don't matter to me. Peace out. Oh, I can't believe I said that. Edit that crap out of there.